The Endicott College Writing Center presents Annotated Bibliographies. When asked to complete an annotation, this means that we have to evaluate and summarize all of the key information from the source material. A bibliography refers to a completed list of all the sources to date you have used to research a project. It's interesting to note, though, that perhaps not every article you read for the bibliography will make an appearance in the final project. So let's discuss the nuts and bolts of putting together your annotated bibliography. First, you are going to make a reference page style citation for each source. For the purposes of this video, we're going to assume that you are working with APA citation style. Here you will see a template of the kinds of information you need to insert and the formatting that everything needs to appear in order to make a reference page entry for a journal article in APA citation style. So underneath each citation entry, you're going to be asked to put in a paragraph of your own writing. This is the annotation section. In the first 2 to 3 sentences, you want to explain and summarize as thoroughly as possible in the brief space provided all of the main points from the article. You want to follow this up with 2 to 3 sentences explaining the connections that you see between the research in this source and the project that you are currently researching. The template provided here simply uses similar wording that you might find in an annotated bibliography. As you can see, there are spaces provided for the writer to insert the real content. Feel free to use this template or to branch out on your own. Remember to list your sources alphabetically, just as you would on a reference page. And please keep in mind that you might be asked to evaluate the source at hand. That means that you would be asked to write more sentences in which you could explain how well the researchers did in finding their evidence. You may also be asked to provide more than one paragraph per source. Please check with your professor in regards to all of these specifications. And remember, if you're a member of the Endicott College community, the Writing Center is here for you. Stop by or make an appointment, and we can review your annotated bibliography together. Thank you very much for watching.